All right, guys, welcome back to Full Moon Hot Rods. I've been out here in the shop working on the Model A a little bit. Haven't been getting as much done as what I wanted to. You know how that is, life gets in the way and you're not a full-time YouTuber. So we do it as we can do it. But anyway, I was gonna give y'all an update on the Model A. I've did the body work and stuff on the car and got it roughed in. So I finally put it in a polyester high build primer. I know there's a lot of controversy on epoxies and polyester and all that, but I ain't getting into that. I've always had good luck with the high build polyester primer on Model A's and stuff like that, where you got pits and stuff. It just feels in real good, and I've never had a problem with it failing or anything like that. So, but I was gonna give you an update, but we'll walk around here a little bit. And now all this is where I have roughed in the bodywork, put it in primer, high build, and I'm gonna start guide coating it and block sanding it to see where my highs and lows and all that stuff is. But here's one of the doors that I've done. Like I say, it's got to be sanded and a lot of block sanding and a lot more repriming and more block sanding. And there's the other door. There's the gas cap. The gas tank top. There's the deck lid that was all bent all to pieces. So it's got a few pits in it that I'll probably go back and put a putty on it, a two-part putty where I can get the pits and stuff out. And you can see here the top of the car. I did make a new top for it, and I rolled it on the English wheel. I didn't make a video on it. I wished I had, but I hadn't had really time to work and make videos. It takes so much time editing the videos. So when I got into doing that, when I got about halfway through, I said I should have made a video on it, but I didn't. But anyway, you can see what it looks like. But like I say, it's just roughed in. Like I said, now there's a lot of block sanding. But I'm gonna go here on my top and I'm gonna put the factory vinyl insert in it with the trim around it. I like that look. I like the old style look on about everything as far as on old cars. But it's whatever you're into. But guys, I'm gonna do a little slideshow on this, like the top, putting it in and doing the body work and stuff. anyway, I wanted to get y'all up to date. And I hate that I hadn't made any videos, but this is what I've been doing. And the next thing I'm gonna do, I guess, is I'm gonna go ahead and take the Model A back off the frame to finish doing all the body work, and where I can go ahead and start getting my frame ready to paint too. But it's slow go, but I'm not in no hurry on this car, so it may take me a little bit longer to get it going. It's not like a YouTube car where you're just trying to throw the thing together and put out a bunch of videos and just get it done real quick and halfway do it. I want the car to actually turn out pretty nice because I'm planning on keeping the Model A. So anyway, I'm gonna just take my time, and as I get it, I get it. But I hope y'all guys are patient with me. And anyway, here, that's where I'm at on the Model A, and I appreciate each and every one of you that has liked and subscribed and commented, and the ones that haven't subscribed, I wish y'all would. It helps the channel grow. I got some more cars that I can build after this one, so it's not like it's going to be a one car build YouTube channel. So the next one I got is a Nova, and I'm actually hunting a truck right now to buy. So if I find another truck, I'll probably put it on the channel and build it. But anyway, guys, that's where I'm at. And y'all comment, let me know what you think. All right, guys, later.